My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me, either right there or right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, welcome back. And I'm saying welcome back because I have not done a sneaker review in so long. I can't remember the last time. I know it was in 2023. We are in 2024 right now, February. I did not get a single shoe in the month of January. That was the first time I completed my goal. The last video I did, which wasn't a sneaker, I don't think it was a sneaker. Oh, you know what? That's a lie. I was doing sneaker reviews because I was doing early reviews, but I didn't buy any of those shoes. And I said in the videos that I have not purchased a shoe yet, and I was trying to hold on because that would have been the first time since 2018. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6 years since I would have went a whole month without buying one shoe. I completed it. It is February the 2nd right now. I am, as you see, I am in a hotel right now because I am home, baby. I'm in Baltimore, Maryland. Baltimore, let's get that outside. See out there. Yeah, Baltimore is very cool right now. Crazy thing about this is when I'm at this is a new hotel. It's a Hampton Inn, very new. It is directly down the street from my old high school. That was Patterson High School. If you can't see it, but if you look out the window and it's over there, so it's like a tan building. But that's my high school. That's my old high school. But had a passing in the family. My dog of 14 years, Yoda. He passed away. Y'all probably seen him in a bunch of my videos, but he passed away on Tuesday. Yeah, on Tuesday. It is now Friday. So he passed away 3 days ago. Rest in peace, Yoda. Loved him very much. I had to get out. I'm not gonna act like that this trip was because of that, but it happened, not saying death can happen at a good time, but it happened at a ideal time for me because I just didn't want to be home. I didn't want to be I had to get out. So it happened the day before I came out here. So this was already planned. But enough sad stuff. Do you have a pickup? My first pickup, not an early review. This shoe dropped today. This is an actual pickup. My first pickup of 2024. So not only is my first pickup of the month of February, which it is, but it's my first pickup of 2024. So I like it. So just came back from Foot Locker. I don't know if these are limited or not because I went to a bunch of Foot Lockers and they only had like 10 pairs, whatever like that. So even when I was in California and I saw them before I left, I had a couple shops and they was like, we don't got that many pairs. So, all right. I'm trying to do this without my stand. You know, I usually got Classic holding the camera, Jessica holding the camera while I got my stand. But like I said, I knew this shoe. The box kind of messed up already. I just like this box. It's kind of... Anyway, I knew this shoe was dropping, and I wanted to buy it. Ideally, I didn't want to buy it here because I know I gotta take this back on the plane. That's more stuff I gotta take a plane. But I didn't want to run a risk of not being able to get the shoe back home in California, so I got it while I was down here. So anyway, yeah. Ooh, I like that box right there. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all. Let me sit down. I'm gonna give y'all a more detailed look of this shoe once I flip the camera. The thing about this is I can't flip the camera as I'm recording. I gotta stop, so we are gonna read the link. You know what? Let's flip the camera. Let's flip the camera. Okay, this is better. This is what I was talking about too. I said the box messed up. This little I'm probably gonna have to glue that or something like that. Anyway, this is the box. Let me read this first, then I usually read this last, but anyway, it goes MB.01 Iridescent. I can't pronounce it. I know what it is. I'm horrible at pronouncing words. Iridescent? Yeah, iridescent, right? Yeah, Indecent. Yeah, it gotta be Indecent. But MB1 stands for Mellow Ball 1. This is the Mellow Ball 1s. There goes logo right there. Boom. Yeah, Puma logo right there. Size 9. These I am an 8.5, but I can't wear a 9 on some shoes. I tried on the 8.5 in the store, and it just didn't fit me good. I was like, I didn't like the way it feels. So I got a size 9. Suggested retail price I think was $130 if I'm not mistaken. I gotta check my receipt. But yeah, I like this pink box. This pink box is fire. Got the red right there. Going on right there. I like that. Not from here. You know that's what they usually say. Right there. Let me set it up with that. You know, seeing like mirror type center right there. This is like a tealish color. A tealish color right there. See Subject 01 Mellow. Again, the Puma and Mellow's logo right there. They go Not From Here again. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, there we go. Make sure it focuses. All right, let's open this shoe. No paper, nothing like that, but Mellows don't really come with that. Let's get I want to get the right there we go. Let's go with this one. Got that divider right there that all Mellows come with. This is like my third pair of Mellows or something like that. So, all right, without further ado, you know what? Let me put this back just so it can look nice. Don't know lie. I don't like not having somebody to hold my camera for you. But without further ado, this probably be the thumbnail too. I'm trying to make this a thumbnail. We got the Mellow Ball 1s Iridescent. Okay. So we back. So we got the Mellow Ball 1s, and it's pronounced iridescent. That's what it was. I think I was saying indescent or something like that. I was saying it wrong. I know I was saying it wrong, but iridescent. So usually I got both shoes out. I just didn't want to, because the thing about this is once you take the Mellow shoes out, that divider things, it gets kind of crooked and it's hard to put them back in. I just don't want to do all that. Plus, there's nothing different with the shoes. There's no other laces. So I was like, I only need one shoe. So, and it's me holding the camera. So another thing, I usually give y'all information, but I searched everywhere, and I'm probably, well, I didn't search everywhere, but I searched a lot of places. I'm hungry. I got some food over there on the bed right there in that little green bag. I'm hungry, man. Like, I want to eat my food, so I didn't really do my due diligence on finding information for this shoe. But usually when I just type in the name on Google, some information come up, but nothing was coming up. And what I meant by I didn't really look everywhere is because I didn't want to go through the different pages of Google. But anyway, I can just give y'all some information off time. This is not a breast cancer awareness shoe. I know anytime you see a pink shoe or anything pink, you think it is affiliated with breast cancer awareness. These shoes, he has already came out with some breast cancer shoes, which are these right here, these red ones, and you see the breast cancer logo on the tongue. And I think I saw these in a mall today. I saw some red Mellows, and if they are, I'm probably gonna go back and get those. Like I'm here for one more day. So I saw some red ones, and I think there was a breast cancer awareness. If they was, I'm gonna get them. The release date, they say they out now. I don't know, but it wasn't these are not these. As you said, these are like a red shoe. I think it was a breast cancer awareness shoes. I'm probably gonna go get those. Now that I really think about it. But yeah, this shoe. This is a bubblegum pink. I love this shoe. I love this shade of it. Again, this look like breast cancer awareness because these on the bottom, accents on the bottom, they look like they could be the ribbon, but it's not. Again, this is not a breast cancer awareness shoe. I'm just reading it. Got the 101 right there, which is on all of them. Not From Here, which is on all of them. This is like in the teal type color right there, or iridescent. Got his wings with the one right there with the MB Mellow Ball right there. The little halo. I never really understood the halo, but I guess it goes with the wings and everything like that. 101 right there again. On the inside, you see that Galaxy insole with the one Mellow ball and the wings and the halo right there. Mellow on the back. Puma right there, the top Puma logo on the top. One of my favorite things that a lot of people don't really talk about on the Mellow shoe is the rare in purple right there that comes on all of them. I like that. And it says, got that, what that says? What does it say? Golden Child. Yeah, Golden Child. Because that goes with the story of how Mellow was always talked about. Like, even though Lonzo was good, and Lonzo was like, I guess at the time, NBA ready, and Jello, you know, because Jello was real big, his body was real big. Mellow was always the short, scrawny one, but then he grew. But he always had that potential. He had that flair. He had that I'm going to be a superstar thing. He had that moxie. You feel me? So like, yes, Golden Child. Everybody was talking about Mellow, especially when he was in high school at Chino Hills. But yeah, I mean, pretty plain shoe, but I like it. I'm glad this is my first shoe, my first pickup of the new year. I like it. This is a casual wear for me. I know that it's a big no-no in the sneaker community of wearing a basketball shoe as casual wear, but I wear my Kobe's, my LeBrons. If I can put a fit together, which this shoe, even though it's a basketball shoe, is a bulky basketball shoe. So it looks like, to me, in my opinion, you can wear this as a casual wear shoe, which I will be doing. Again, I'm probably going to get 2 pairs of these. The good thing about my girl wearing the same size as me is I always got a backup pair. So her pair is on the way. It's like she's picking up her pair in Cali as we speak. But yeah, all in all, I like this shoe. 1 to 10. I'm probably gonna give it I give it an 8.5. I mean, the only reason I'm not giving it a 10 is because 1 is a basketball shoe, which again, it's not an issue for me, but it may be an issue for most. And 2, Mellows are all kind of bulky. They are bulky. This is like my 4th pair. I got both pairs of Rick and Morty's, and I got the Mellows. So oh no, and I got the purple ones too. Yeah, I was gonna, you know what? The thing is, I was gonna start collecting Mellows. That was gonna be my thing. I was gonna buy every Mellow colorway like I did with the LeBrons, but he was coming out with colorways so fast. Like the all black ones, all red ones, the all white ones. Like I was like, I don't want all these Mellows in my house. You feel me? like so I just started getting in the colors I actually like, and this is one of them I like. So y'all let me know in the comments below if this was a copy drop. It did drop today, February 2nd, 2024. I like this shoe though. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But all right, let me flip this cam back around so y'all can see me, so I can do my outro. All right, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Sneaker review. Yeah, like, subscribe, share. I will be doing another sneaker review pretty soon. It's going to be the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagines. I'm going to try to get an early sneaker review for y'all. I'm going to buy that for sure. I'm going to double up on that. So, yeah, usually on my early sneaker reviews is like, I don't know if I'm going to buy it, but I wanted to give y'all a review. But for that shoe, yeah, I'm going to try to get an earlier sneaker review, but it's a guarantee I'm going to buy it. So even if I don't get it early, I'm going to give it to it on the release date. So it comes out February 17th, so stay tuned for that. I don't really think it's another shoe that comes out before that in a miss, but I didn't even know about this Mellow. Like I said, I was just at the sneaker store. My boy was like, yo, you want to see a shoe that's dropping? And that was recently. That was probably like 3 days ago, 4 days, right before I came on my trip. So like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks, the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.